Hello, welcome back to CapSim Capstone 2024-2025, the top 10 winning tips. The best CapSim for round 6 answer. And step by step for round 6, you can check the other video for round from 1 to 2, 3, 4, 5. You can check the video for details guide in round 1 and 2 and all decision for round 1, 2 here. You see that, and then we can get the top sale and top profit like this if you apply the right strategy. And from round 4 we have gained the top sale and top profit and going up very fast. You see the result of round 4 and result of round 5 here. And now I show you the details for round 6. So for round 6 we have 8 products now we developed from round 1, 2 and 3, so it's very easy for round 6, 7 and 8. We just keep update the product, not the too low end, because too low end we update only 2 times, in round 3 1 time and in round 7. The other product we update on each round, so you see the launching date is really good time, right? Middle of the year. And for the marketing, we reduce the price by 50 cents, and also some product reach 100% of customer awareness, so we keep 1,400. The other we keep 2,000. I show you the detail now. You can check 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 here, 5 pages of the report, and you see that we have the top sale here, 2 product lead the sale in traditional segment, right? And 2 top products lead the sale in low end segment. You see it, right? So yeah, we have gained the great market share. For the high end, yeah, we also in the top, but not the first one is okay. For the performance, we have 2 products leading the market with, yeah, you see the top market share here, right? 22%. And for the size segment, we have the leading product here, right? So okay, we have 5 products selling very well. And then to calculate the sales forecast, we use page number 4 here. We use this number, right? So number 2, number 5, our stock, we can spend more. We use Excel file to calculate for our file like this as an input into the game. You check the other previous video to see the details, right? How to use Excel file. If you have any question, you send the email, right? And here you input the sales forecast here. Then we move to the production, right? For the production decision, we have the sales forecast here, deduct inventories here, we have the production schedule here, we input into the game. And now for our 6, we increase automation to 6. For the other high end here, performance and size. And traditional we keep 8, low end we keep 10, the other we keep around 6. That's most optimal. We see the contribution margin here, right? Contribution margin here, right? So for the HR we use max spending for recruits and max spending for training hours. For finance, so we don't need to issue the stock right now. We pay some dividends, and then we just use the long-term debt. We don't need the short-term debt right now. For the TQM, we use around 1,000, right? So you can see we get performer income here. We get very high sales here, nearly 50% of contribution margin. 50% of contribution margin is so big, right? And about 16-17% of net profit. Compared with the last round, we increased the sale a lot, and also the profit we increased nearly double, right? So that's very good result. So I just show you the details guide for round 6. You get the top sale and top profit, right? And remember that after each round, understanding the game more important, right? Understanding the game more important. You should check the top 10 winning tips for each round from industry condition report to use the Rehearsal file to calculate R&D and production for each round, update R&D each round. The right strategy is to add new product in round 1 to 3. If you don't, round 4 is the last round you should add, because the later round is too late, right? Because the new product require 2 or 3 rounds to start selling well. Set the prices. You can control the most optimal price, not the lowest, right? Most optimal price. And you check the price of competitors to set your price. Check the price range accepted by the customer. Calculate the sales forecast in marketing. Calculate production schedule. Increase automation and add new capacity. Increase automation each round, and use the 3 to 4 sources in round 1 to 3. Later round you see that we pay dividend, we buy back the stock, and we retire the loans, right? So if you should learn and understand the meaning behind the decision. It's equally important to win in the game. So each round we need to understand what decision to make, what reports to read, what parts are more important. You win 50%. How to update the product, how to set the price, the long-term strategy for the product, competitors' price, the most optimal price, calculate the sales forecast, sell and buy in, sell inventories, keep some inventory, sell as much as you can, so you can win 80%. If you know how to set decision for production, how to buy capacity automation, how to set decision for HR, finance, and TQM, you win 99%. So if you have any questions, send the email to wincapsim2012@gmail.com. If you need the support, you can see that support for setting decision for 8 rounds, so you can learn, and then you can view, you can learn, you can adjust that win the top results. If you require the explanation for decision of each round, you can also send WhatsApp for Q&A. You can also get the video share for video guides for all the rounds, right? So you can email to wincapsim2012@gmail.com. You will get the top sale and profit like this for all rounds, right? The right strategy. Start from this, and then round 1, and then 8 round you get top sale and top profit and top stock price, right? If you have any questions, just send the email to mbacim.faris@gmail.com. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.